Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you about the Mafia 2 crash crashing. So if you're facing the crash crashing problem in Mafia 2 on Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. I will show you all the steps in this video. You have to follow them and you will be able to fix the problem. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now let's watch it.